Imagine having the entire creation journey of your favourite products right at your fingertips. With a new Amway Tracing Tool, it's all just a tap away. Start in our labs, where scientists like Jason research and identify combinations of ingredients that yield the most desired results. We'll let you get back to work, Paul. Next up, Amway's own certified organic farms under US law and sustainably minded partner farms all around the world. Hey, Danielle! See how plants are grown and harvested with care, from the leaves down to the roots. Explore places where our non-botanical ingredients come from. Follow along as experts like Mark mix and blend these ingredients and botanicals to create quality products. These products get packaged and inspected hundreds of times by people like Lynn. Where to next? Our quality and safety headquarters. Take a look at the tests and checks we run on your product. No batch leaves our doors without passing each one. See how we've been mindful of the planet throughout our product creation process, and how you can be mindful too. From the farms to manufacturing to you, the Amway Tracing Tool puts transparency in the palm of your hand. It's a story, not a secret.